Okay, so it's one of those days I really don't have much inspiration to cook crew food. Also, I'm pretty low on stock, but I do have potatoes, onions, and eggs. And that means Spanish omelets. Yeah, I'm gonna make a Spanish tortilla. It's super tasty, it's super easy to make. It takes some skill, so I do enjoy making them, and I thought I'd take it off for the ride, so enjoy. So a few minutes ago I sliced up some potatoes. And some onion. I don't know, like a millimeter thick. Same with the onions. Next thing I'm going to do is just put enough oil in this pan to ensure that both the potatoes and the onions can cook in them, almost like a deep fry. That's it. Okay, the onions are going in. Potatoes in there. Got these bad boys cooking away in the olive oil. As you can see, I've got the pan lid on. Let that cook for 25 to 30 minutes. I'll come back and have a look, and then we'll get on to the next step. And these bad boys are definitely ready, because when I put the spoon to the potatoes, they're breaking up. Look at it. Caramelized onions, caramelized potatoes. Get the onion and the potatoes out of there. Oil has done its job. I'm just going to add the onions and the potatoes to our egg mixture. My Spanish friends will tell me that the secret to a good Spanish tortilla is not to overmix it when it's like this. Just 1 or 2 little stirs, and then we're gonna cover it up with cling wrap and pop it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And that's super important, because that's where the flavor develops, soaks into the potatoes, and the onions just give off the caramelized flavor into the egg mixture. And that's why we keep it for there in 1 hour. No less, no more. 1 hour. Okay, so while the potatoes and the onions are busy chilling out in the fridge just around the corner, I took some pretty cool footage and I wanted to share it again with you people, so enjoy. Oh. This was a fantastic idea. Okay, now this is not very traditional in Spanish cuisine or Spanish tortilla, but I'm gonna put bacon in the egg mixture just because bacon is good, and I've got leftover bacon and I don't waste. I never waste. Some flavor. We all love bacon. As you can see, the potatoes and the onions have developed their flavors. They've been in the fridge for about 1 hour. Now the next part of the Spanish tortilla thing is pretty tricky. You're gonna need a pan and a plate. The plate has to be bigger than the pan. You'll see why in a bit. Once the pan is nice and warm, we're gonna put our mixture inside. So we're cooking this bad boy low and slow. Sweet. And you'll start to see the edges get cooked first. If you just prod it with a spatula, you'll see. And then you start lifting it as it cooks, just gently helping it on its way. You start shaking it, you see the middle is going to be still raw, and so to cook the middle, we got to employ some skills. So what I'm going to do is get this plate over the pan, flip it over, and then put it back in the pan so that I can cook the bottom part. Wish me luck. Okay, that didn't do too badly. I didn't do too bad with that one. Anyways, it's in there and we're getting to cook the bottom part of it. Should take about 5 minutes maximum and we'll be ready to eat. So that's it. Eggs, potatoes, and onions. Put bacon in there, but don't tell your Spanish friends. I'm gonna go eat lunch now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers.